karanjetlilive.
Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to unbox this folding camping shovel which I got from amazon.ae. So guys, while I'm opening it, I would like to tell you, like, I paid about 4 Omani reals for it. Okay, so which is equivalent to about 10 American dollars. Okay, so I got it real cheap. And guys, while I'm holding it in my hand, so the weight of this piece is about slightly more than 1 kilo. So it is 1.25 kilos. So it came in this zip pouch. So let us open it. And it also has its own nylon pouch. So now let us take it out and let us have a first look at it. Okay, so guys, while I'm holding it, the finishing of this product is pretty good. The paint quality is very good, and the weight I already told you is about 1.25 kilos. Okay, so here you unfold it, so, and then I think you tighten it, and it is ready to be used. So here it is. So let me zoom out the camera a little bit so that you can see all of it. So guys, here it is. So it has a shovel and it also has this ice axe on one side. I think you can use it. Both the tools, I think you need to loosen it a bit, and then you can fold it other way around, and then you can use it as an ice axe. So guys, the first impressions, like, in $10, I think you cannot get anything better than this. Okay, quality, the finish of this product is good, the paint job is very good, and the quality also doesn't seem that bad. So if you are stuck in sand or something, so I think it can do the job in sand and ice. Okay, so anyway, you are not going to dig concrete with it. Okay, so that way this is pretty okay. So I'm planning to keep it in my car. Okay, so I'm planning to keep it in my car. The other thing is, it is totally foldable and it becomes of this size. Okay, so guys, soon we will take it out and we will test it outdoors. Okay, then we'll see the performance of this product. So guys, that's pretty much for today. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.